If we continue on the track of disconnection, you know, the sad thing is that it spirals us out into depression or into a deep feeling of isolation. And you know, in order to face that, or so, let's say not deal with that, we put on masks. And we give the world the same impression we're giving the world up there on social media, we give it in here. For many of us that aren't even willing to really show ourselves, because to really show myself is scary. Am I really willing to open up and share with you? And the irony is, we want connection. And many of us will say, if I ask, the moment I ask in a workshop, do you want authentic connection? People say, yes, I want it. I want you to be straight with me, and I want to be straight with you. But not easy. How to do that? Because we're so scared of losing connection. If I'm really open up and I'm honest with you, will you still be there? The fear is lost connection. Well, we set our whole lives up to work around that, yeah, instead of being direct and honest with each other. Some people are very good at being direct and honest. But a majority of us put on a whole mask of hiding the fear or the insecurities, or they're not feeling good enough.